Hi, in this video, we will see how the non-inventory items functionality works. Using non-inventory items is possible starting from MRPeasy's Professional Edition. The non-inventory items functionality allows defining items which are not tracked in inventory management. These items do not have stock lots, or bookings. Non-inventory items can be bought and sold, thus they can be used in purchase orders, customer orders, and invoices. Non-inventory items cannot be used in BOMs, manufacturing orders, or shipments, however. To create a non-inventory item, go to the Stock Items section and click on the plus button. To make this item a non-inventory, uncheck the checkbox, "This is an inventory item." After all other information has been entered, click Save. If the item has certain vendors, purchase terms can be entered, which will be used to automatically pre-fill purchase orders. If a customer order has both inventory and non-inventory items, MRPeasy considers only inventory items when it updates the orders and parts as statuses. If a customer order contains non-inventory items only, it is possible to select any CO status manually. The non-inventory items functionality can be enabled in the section Settings, System Settings, Professional Functions. To learn more about MRPeasy, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.